All right, welcome back to Paradise Strength. My name is Stanley Chalk, and today we're going to be teaching you on different variations on how to scale a push-up. Let's get right to it. All right, so first variation is an incline push-up. So for those that don't have a full push-up, the best way to start going about this while actually having the full push-up position, that means arms straight, legs straight, and you feel like you're actually doing a push-up, this is probably the best way to go. We have a bench here and it's gonna elevate me a little bit and give me a better angle or an easier angle for me to handle rather than trying to just do push-ups on the ground and do one or two and fail. So I'm gonna show you how to do it right now. So we're gonna be here, arms shoulder width apart. Things that we don't wanna do is we don't wanna sag our hips or we don't want our hips too high, right around neutral. And what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna go slow on the way down, bring my chest all the way to the bench and back up. All the way to the bench, back up. Slow on the way down, strong on the way up. This is a super helpful variation because you can elevate this as high as possible. You can even put a barbell on a rack and you can slowly make your way lower and lower until you hit the floor. So that's the first variation on an incline. Try that one next time you're trying to do or improve your push-up. All right, for the next variation, we're gonna be doing the classic knee push-up or girl push-up, as they say. All you're gonna do is you're gonna you can put a mat down or you can go on the turf or wherever your knees don't hurt. You're gonna be here, same thing, arms around shoulder width apart, putting your knees here, and then we're gonna do the same exact thing on the way down and up. Don't think you have to have a flat back. Your hips will naturally be back there slightly, which is okay. We don't want to put too much pressure on your low back. Here. Super easy variation that anybody can do, and this will also help you to improve your push-ups just by using a different variation if you don't have your push-up just yet. And then the last variation is push-up negatives or negative push-ups. This is a variation that I use all the time with lots of people and lots of clients that have helped them to improve their push-up strength, improve their strength in their triceps and in their chest, and to give them a feel on what an actual push-up feels like. So for the push-up negative or negative push-up, all you're gonna do is you're gonna find your place on the floor. You're gonna go up into a push-up position, get nice and comfortable here. You're gonna go down, nice and controlled, and then that's it. You can make your way back up however you need to, if you need to snake up, if you need to use your feet to get back up, and you're gonna go back into the next rep. So if I chain them together, it'll look like this. Negative, nice controlled, and I'll just get back up, back here, here, back up. Or if you need to make your way up like that, however you need to get yourself back up into the regular push-up position, you can use. The whole focus is to focus on the negative part of the movement so that you're able to practice the negative part, which is essentially the easiest in this case, but it'll help you to get the strength to be able to come back up next time you're doing your push-ups. All right, I hope that helped you guys. Hope it gave you a few other variations that you can use in your push-up. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.